Hi guys! Good afternoon! Hello sa inyo! And I'm here at Promenade de Dasmariñas Park at Dasmariñas, Cavite, Philippines. And I'm Ria Palmarogas. Welcome back to my channel guys! Ria Rogs channel. And gusto ko lang ibahagi sa inyo ang isang recipe from our Philippines. Ang mahal natin Pilipinas guys. So meron siyang recipe na napaka-refreshing at napakasarap gawin for all of us na foodies like us, like me. Yan. So, tinatawag itong chicken mango avocado salad. So, meron tayong lettuce, tomatoes, cucumber, avocado, ripe mangoes, and onion. So, what we're gonna do in here ba? Ganito gawin to. I-slice muna natin lahat ng vegetables. Then, we will arrange it in a platter sa isang pinggang malaki. So, habang nandun siya, set aside. And, sa chicken natin, na 4 pieces, breast, let's add salt and pepper. Then, fry it, o prituhin natin in a small oil sa isang pan, okay? Sa stove. Then, pag naluto, set aside, then slice natin. Okay? Tapos, i-mix na naman natin ngayon ang dressing ingredients. So, we have in the dressing ingredients, we have 1 tablespoon calamansi juice, peppers to taste, and 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons olive oil, sugar to taste, mga 1 tablespoon, and of course, we will mix all of that. So, para makagawa tayo ng dressing. So, after that, put it all in the vegetables na pinipare natin kanina. And then, we will put the chicken na naluto na kanina, then slice. And then, we will put the dressing. And then, pagkatapos, iserve natin ito ng chilled. So, lagay natin sa ref. So, para lumamig siya, mas masarap kung malamig. Okay? Then, serve chilled. So, enjoy eating na. Okay? So, that's it guys. So, nalaman nyo na ang pinaka-favorite kong recipe for my life, in my life guys. Kasi mahilig ako sa malamig sa bibig. So, malamig sa katawan. So, it's a salad. So, it's chicken mango avocado salad. Okay? So, that's it guys. I'm here at Promenade de Dasma. Okay. And I'm here at sa gilid. So, nasa gilid ako guys. So, ito yung pinupuntahan ng mga kabataan from our different schools na galing dito sa Dasma. And napakasarap kasi dito kasi look at the grass. Oh, it's Bermuda, no? It's a carpet. Parang Bermuda grass, correct. So, napanood ko to nung ginagawa to. So, hindi ko talaga pinalampas. Yun. So, paano guys? Magpi-picture taking pa ako. So, better go. See you next time. This is Mami Ria Palmarogas wishing you the best in life. And advance Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye everyone.